Most people start cardio to lose fat. Jogging, walking, cycling, anything that gets your heart pumping. But here's the question. Which kind of cardio actually burns the most fat? Today, we'll uncover what really happens inside your body when you move, and why slow and steady might not always mean best. When you start exercising, your body first uses carbohydrates, the fastest fuel source. After about 20 to 30 minutes, those quick sugars run low, and your body begins to draw more energy from stored fat. That's why longer workouts are famous for burning fat. Your body simply needs time to switch engines. But intensity matters too. The harder you work, the more your body relies on carbs for speed. The slower and steadier you move, the more fat becomes your main fuel. So it's a delicate balance, like shifting gears between power and endurance. Inside your muscles are 3 energy factories. 1. The quick system. ATP-CP powers short bursts, like sprinting for about 10-15 seconds. 2. The glycolytic system uses stored carbs, giving fast energy for about a minute. 3. The aerobic system burns fat slowly, but can last for hours, even days. All 3 run together. But which one leads depends on how hard you move. When intensity rises, your body says, let's grab the fast fuel carbohydrates. When you slow down and go longer, it whispers, okay, time to melt some fat. Now here's where science meets real life. Studies show that the best fat-burning zone happens when your heart rate is around 60 to 80% of your maximum. To find it, take 220 minus your age. That's your estimated max heart rate. For example, if you're 40 years old, 220, 40, 280 BPM, 60 to 80% of that is 108 to 144 beats per minute. Stay in that range, and your body burns fat efficiently without tiring too fast. Many people think slow walking burns more fat because the percentage of fat used is higher. That's true, but here's the trick. At low intensity, your total calorie burn is small. At higher intensity, the fat percentage is lower, but the total amount of fat burned is often greater. In other words, a smaller slice of a bigger pie still means more pie. So if you want results, aim for steady but challenging cardio, brisk walking, light jogging or cycling where you can still talk, but not sing a whole song. There are no shortcuts. Your body burns fat best when you move consistently, not frantically. Stay in your fat-burning heart rate zone. Move for at least 30 minutes. And do it regularly. That's it. It's not magic, it's metabolism. So next time you hit the treadmill, don't chase pain, chase rhythm. Keep your pace steady, your heart honest, and let science do the burning. Because real fat loss doesn't happen in a day. It happens one heartbeat at a time.